Is this Tiki Smokeless fire pit really smokeless? Let me show you. And while I'm at it, I'll give you the inside scoop about how to keep it smokeless and show you just how big this is and how many people can use it at once. We bought this fire pit a year and a half ago to replace an old regular fire pit. We've used it many times and have a really good sense of how it functions best. One of the things I love most about this fire pit is that it's pretty big. We regularly have a dozen or more people crowded around it, and it can accommodate a lot of s'more and hot dog cooking, or just be a warm place for friends to chat. I used to push back when my family wanted an evening by our old fire pit because I knew it would make everyone smoky and would require tons of laundry and extra baths, but not anymore. This fire pit is truly smokeless if used correctly. No smoky smell, whether you're inside the house or right next to the fire pit. No jumping from chair to chair to avoid smoke in the eyes, and no smoky clothing and hair when you're done. The key to keeping it smokeless is making sure these vents are clear of ash and debris. It's not that hard. Just empty the ash after every use and make sure to scoop the ash away from the vents with a long spatula or fireplace shovel every hour or two if you're burning for more than a couple hours. I love that you can use firewood or wood pellets, and both are smokeless options, so you have tons of flexibility. This is a fantastic smokeless fire pit. We've loved it so much, and we hope you will too. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And if you're interested in any of the products featured, there's a link in the description below.